How to see friend's birthday in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your friend's birthday on Facebook. So if you want to check your friend's birthday on Facebook, you just need to follow these steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and after that you will be prompted to the menu section. From there, you simply need to scroll down and tap on events, and here you may see some birthdays, but they might not always appear frequently. So to find all your friends' birthday, you simply need to go to the notification preference, and for that simply tap on the gear icon at the top, and from there you can simply scroll down, and here you can see the option label notifications under the preferences. So simply tap on that, and after that in this interface you'll see several options like text, reminders, etc. But from here simply select the birthday option, and now at the top of the screen you'll see a list of friends who are celebrating their birthdays today. And that's it. This is how you can easily check your friend birthdays on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.